Hey guys, welcome back into this new video tutorial. This is a very short video. I'm going to be walking with you step by step. Now this time around, I'm going to be showing you how to create up a window form using Microsoft Word VBA. So just click on developer tool, and another in the developer tool, just click on Microsoft Visual Studio. That's Visual Basic, that's what you're on after. Or if you don't want to do so, you can use press Alt with F11 to give you a chance. So click there, and then when you click that, we'll just take to this platform or this whatever. So we need to add on one on us a form. So we need to log on to window form. So to do that, click on insert and say form. And when you do that, you're just going to get a form underneath there. So I'm just going to maximize here a bit. So this is it. That's my form. So when I just click here, you should get up a form like this. You get? Yes. So you can go further to rename your form or things like that, and try to insert something into your form. So I can just insert a button, and I simply say maybe VBA Ms Word application. So this is our form. So if you just check there, if you click here, you should have something like that, a button like that. You get? Yes. So this is our form, and this is how our form behaves. Get? At the moment, does nothing, deals nothing, so we can actually go further and we see how to add more of what we can talk about now. Maybe creating up some few applications, naming the form. You can give it a form name of your choice. Click on the form here, and then just go up where they say caption. Click here. This caption changes this name you are seeing here. So when I click there and I go to caption here, whatever thing I type here, you think you can see it changes up. Like for instance, I can simply say maybe how to create one on us window form, like that. So that's it. And when you click there, I think you can see my application is standalone. That's it for now. Yeah, that's it for now. So that's it for guys. So that's how you create that. But at the moment our form is not active, so I'm going to show you in the next video how to activate your window form with me. So you're going to be showing how to call a function, how to redirect, or one on us how to add codes into a window, a form of Visual Basic using Microsoft Word. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it as we tune to the next video on how to create those things, activate this form to work. Thank you.